Leetcode daily challenge. Today it is a medium one. 2300. Successful pair of spells and portions. We have two arrays, one spell and one portion. I don't think there's much we can do for the first array, the spells, but just to go through each element in it one by one. But for the second array, for any number, say 5, 7 divided by 5 will be 1. I want to find out the total number of portions that is greater than 1 in the second array to make the product successful. It seems that we don't really care about the order of this portion array. I'll just sort it in order first. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then for any index, all the portions after it would be greater than or equal to this portion. So at last, with a search or a binary search here, we can quickly find out the index for all the spells and the portions larger enough to succeed